Six men accused of hijacking and murdering Kaizer Chiefs defender Fleurs claim that the state's case lacks strength. They returned to the Roodepoort Magistrate's Court today for a formal bail application where the matter was postponed to next Thursday. Newzroom Afrika's Veronica Makhoali reports.
The 6 men linked to Kaizer Chiefs player Fleurs' murder and hijacking will spend another week behind bars after their case was postponed in the Roodepoort Magistrate Court on the 25th of April.
The case is then postponed to the 2nd of May. The state apparently needs to verify certain aspects that were alluded to in your statements. All 6 in custody.
Suspects Ndumiso Mswane, Fernando Siva, Nhlanganipho Dlamini, Frankie Xaba, Maredi Mphahlele and Tembinkosi Hlumukau told the court that they can each afford a 1,000 rand bail, signalling their intentions to plead not guilty to the charges.
I respectively point out that I do not have a history of violence and that it will be out of character for me to attempt to intimidate or adversely influence witnesses. I undertake to abide by any condition prohibiting contact with state witnesses. I submit with respect that any evidentiary material confiscated is now in police custody. I have no access to these items and I'm not in any position to destroy such evidence. I need also to point out that I have daily contact with friends and relatives and have been inclined to destroy evidence. I could have arranged this from the police cells. I reiterate that I did not request any person to do so and that I do not need to, nor do I have the ability to destroy any evidence that might hamper the investigation.
They argue that the state's case is weak, suggesting that prosecutors will struggle to pin the hijacking and murder charges against them.
The state case is weak and they cannot prove that I am the person who murdered the deceased and robbed him of his motor vehicle.
The state has requested more time to verify the information provided by the defense. The 6 men are now charged with murder, robbery and obstructing justice after the state withdrew the charge of possession of an unlicensed firearm and ammunition. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Veronica Makhoali at the Roodepoort Magistrate Court in Johannesburg.